very spiritual person and I am getting all these experiences. Some experiences, अलग-अलग किस्म के experiences होते हैं. She's not been keeping too well. She's a little confused. So what should I do? That was the question. So I said, Baba, I don't think I'm qualified to answer your question. I am neither a channel, nor do I do auto writing, nor do I do somebody who will come and speak into my ears as to what is to be done and what is not to be done. All I can say is what I have learned from Baba, through Baba's reading. And number one is, Baba has said, if you think you are on the path, then you are not. Baba ke shabd hai ye, then you are not, number one. Now, I said, even during Baba's physical ministry, there were some people who were close to Baba, who would get all these kinds of experiences which you talked about, all these experiences. And Baba would just tell them, ignore it, don't bother about it. They will become a trap for you. You will not be able to move forward. These have no relevance, except for the experience of God realization. All experiences fall within the domain of illusion. And so one should not give any cognizance, any importance, anything to it, number one. This is my reading, I said. Number two is, if you say, she does a lot of things, she does a little bit of occult and all that. I said, I am nobody to say do it, I am nobody to say stop it. But my simple logic is that if you are genuinely meant to do it, you will feel a sense of comfort, a sense of convenience, a sense of settled feeling. You feel nice about it. You will feel nice about it. You know, the very fact that you are not feeling nice, that you are confused, that you are restless, that you are going through sicknesses and all that, in my limited understanding of Baba's literature, I think what you are doing is not correct. I feel like that. Now it is up to you whether you want to continue or you, since you came to me, I am giving you my honest opinion that if you are really meant to do so-called spiritual work, helping humanity and all that stuff that we, all bombastic language that we talk about, I never said this to her, then you will feel sakoon, as we say, within yourself. You will feel nice about it. You will feel the hand of God with you, supporting you, telling you, nice beta, very good, keep doing it. But if you are not, if you are sick, she was supposed to come and meet me, then she had some vertigo and all that, and then couldn't make it. So, anyway, so this is what I feel, that things are not quite right, aisa mujhe lag raha hai. So in the same way, what I am telling you is, if we are really pleasing the Lord, then we will get that kind of a joy within ourselves, that kind of a satisfaction within ourselves, that kind of a settled feeling, rather than being restless and like that. So that compass is always there which will tell us whether what we are doing is pleasing Baba, whether he is approving it or he is allowing. But he will allow. The beauty about Baba is, I know there are so many people who fall in love and then it doesn't work and they come for counseling and all that. No, but Baba should not have allowed. Baba should have stopped me at that time. Baba should have told me like that. I said, देखो बाबा का क्या है? उनको भी गेम खेलना है ना. ऐसा देखा है. In a sense, you know, that he will guide you. He will say, this is not correct. But if you still feel, no, let me do it, then you will get the feedback as if he is participating in that game of yours, which is not approved by him. It is not approved. But you will see a sense, because his job, in a sense, we are all co-creators of our own destiny. We are co-creators. We are all part. So his job would be to do tathastu. That's all. So I am doing something wrong, tathastu. Tathastu. And when the tathastu comes, so be it. You know, I may feel, अरे Baba is with me. So let me continue what I am doing. जो चोरी करता है, खून खराबी करता है, even those people feel that God is with them. Even terrorists, and they feel that God is with them, because our mind is such, you know, our physical body, our mental mind, our emotions, energy, when they are aligned, then whatever you think about, that happens. You manifest those things in your life. Now, whether those things which you manifest are good or not good will depend upon what choices you have made. But when you are using this apparatus, then it will function. If I want to do something wrong to somebody and if I am very focused on doing wrong, then it will happen. And I will say, देखो, Baba has also helped me in that. नहीं तो कोई आ जाता था, बीच में कोई ऐसा होता था, तैसा होता था, लेकिन नहीं हुआ. That means Baba is with me. And Baba is with everybody, every moment of the time. There is not a single second when Baba is not with us. Giving an answer to your... So we all know and we are all a part of this game of hoodwinking ourselves by doing things what we want to do and blame it on Rio, as they say. Just put it on Baba and say, Baba, अगर ऐसा आपको लगता था नहीं तो फिर ऐसा नहीं होने का था. Then you should have stopped me over here at this time only. But instead of doing it, I felt a sense of encouragement from you, and that's why I did this. So it's, but ultimately at the end of it, all this is an illusion. So Baba says, whatever you do, the good, the bad, the ugly, offer it to me. Hold on to my daman. Keep holding on to my daman. It is immaterial. आपके अंदर कितना भी कचरा होने दो. If you offer it to the ocean is not going to be polluted. Just keep on offering. At least that way we are keeping our connection, our connect with Baba. And that is what he has emphasized, that irrespective of नहीं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, just keep on offering it to him. Because we are all a consolidated mold of something good, something not so good, and something totally treacherous. We are all a combination of all these things. And therefore Baba says, don't get into all these things, because from the height of truth or reality, all this is illusion. There is no such thing as sin, Baba says, So that way you don't worry about it, but that doesn't mean that we get ourselves. There was a question asked to Baba, which I have repeated it here many times. When somebody asks Baba that I know what I am going to do is wrong, sinful, we call it a sin. It is utterly sin, But I do it on purpose, knowingly, I am doing it. Am I finally responsible for it? I am ultimately responsible for it. And Baba's again superb answer was no. But you will have to bear the consequences. Means ultimate responsibility for everything is his, because he is the creator. He is created. And he is playing that role in me, in you, everywhere. He is playing that role. But because we are in the domain of duality, the domain of duality is governed by the law of karma. And therefore, although you are ultimately not responsible, but you have to bear the consequences. Simple. You bear the consequences. You are not responsible. समझ गए ना बात? कितना शाना है जब but you bear the consequences. Because we are in the domain of duality, and duality is governed by the law of karma, therefore you will only get consequences of all your actions, all your thoughts, all your speech, everything. You will get consequences. So face the consequences. If you are prepared to face the consequences, then enjoy everything. If you say, never mind, हमको गले फांसी लगा देगा, ठीक है, उसमें क्या हो गया? After all, फांसी also is illusion, ठीक है. Jail also is illusion, ठीक है. Then no problem. If we are prepared to face the consequences, then it's okay.
But how do you know when your mind is speaking? Okay, and when you listen to the mind or to the heart? Because sometimes, as you said, the dual thoughts that confuse you to what is maybe right, wrong, or what is supposed, not supposed, or what is for me, or what for me. I mean, it's too confusing.
It's good, no? When somebody asks Baba, it is too confusing. Baba said, what is wrong about confusion? What's wrong about confusion? When the confusion is confused about itself, then clarity will dawn. So, the confusion has to go to such an extent that the confusion is confused about confusion.
But when you read
Okay, now I come here.
Confusion to that degree where
Yeah.
I mean you are at a state of madness.
See, basically, I think it is an excuse that we put across that I don't know what is right and what is wrong. It is an excuse. I feel that way. Most of us know. Number one. Number two, if at all you are at a junction as to what to do, genuinely, which is a very rare case where genuinely you don't know, Baba says, let your heart's prompting be given more importance. The heart has to be given more importance as to what to do, and then how to do it, you can apply your mind and rationale and then do it. So there are two things, what to do and how to do it. Number one. Number two, I remember one incident that happened in our Bombay Center where Sridhar Kelkar, who is the present chairman of the trust, he had narrated his mother-in-law, Dina Talati, very wiry lady, thin lady. I knew her quite well, and very, as we say, tikku marchu, very short tempered and very forthright. She was the one, in fact, who made the first Baba flag in 1925, the 7-colored flag. So Baba would sometimes, go during the 30s and all that, he would be constantly journeying here and there. And before that, anything that anybody wanted, they would write to Baba and ask Baba. At that time, they were having the postcards. So Baba would reply, okay, do this or don't do this and all that. So when Baba is on long tours and not available for answer, then Dina said, Baba, words to the effect again, તમે તો ઘડી ઘડી ભૂલ થઈ ગયો, you just go here, there. Now, how do we know what to do when we are in a predicament, when we are in a dilemma as to what to do, what should I do? And now this is Baba's answer to Dina Talati. Dina must have told it to the family members, including Sridhar, and Sridhar told this at the center. So I am narrating exactly what he said. He said that if ever a time comes when you really don't know what to do, then you stand in front of my photo, right? Do not have any preconceived thought as to what you want to do, because most of us are cheaters. We always want to do what we want to do and then put it on Baba. बाबा ने मुझे प्रेरणा दी, बाबा ने मुझे कान में बोला, बाबा ने हाथ में बोला. मेरे को तो कभी कान में नहीं बोला, कभी हाथ में नहीं बोला, कोई प्रेरणा नहीं है ऐसे. तो Baba told me to do this. Put your right hand over your ऐसा आवाज है. Clear. Put your right hand over your heart and talk to Baba. Blank mind. Baba, this is the problem, this is the issue, what should I do? And Baba says, the first impulse that you feel in your heart, the first thing that comes to your heart, take it that it is my wish to do this. But for this, I think the test of the pudding is in the eating, in the sense, the test of this, whether it comes correct, you should be totally honest. There should be no preconceived thought कि मुझे ऐसा करना है. It should not be like a boy, and I have said this again 100 times. Once a person, वो college bunk करके used to go to matinee show, every day matinee show. और वो लोग के friend ने बोला कि ये क्या लगाया, every day what can I do? It is God's wish. And how do you know it is God's wish? Very simple. I toss a coin, heads I go, tails I don't go. क्या बात करता है? Every time head आता है क्या? कभी-कभी एक से ज़्यादा टाइम करना पड़ता है. कभी-कभी head or toss, in other words, till such time as it comes head, you will keep on tossing. And then when बाबा ने बोला जाओ पिक्चर में, चलो फिल्म में, बाबा की मर्जी है मैं फिल्म में जाता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. I mean, there should be absolute honesty about those things, So many people do this. I know सेंटर में भी आके वो क्या बोलते हैं, चिट डालते, चिट, हाँ, वो दो yes and no, मन में कुछ भी होएगा, ये छोकरी के वो छोकरी जो भी होने दो, वो ऐसे करके डालेगा. अभी समझो हमको यस मांगता है लेकिन नो आया, 3 टाइम डालेगा, 3 में से जो 2 आएगा वो, फिर 5 में से 3, अल्टीमेटली तुमको जो मांगता है जो आएगा, then बाबा थैंक यू. अरे this is how we live. बाबा is also laughing. They will say hello. उसको दांत खाने दो, फिर वापस आएगा 6 महीने के अंदर मेरे पास. So it's like that. So we do this. So that should not be the case. So many, I'm telling you facts. People are coming. I say, Baba, I don't know anything. हमारे पास कुछ ये सब नुस्खा नहीं है, आपको जो लगता है करो। एनीवे इट्स एन इल्यूजन, 6 महीने के बाद लाट खा के वापस आएगा हम लोग, और क्या।
My